Paul here, and today we're going to be removing the mirror on a 2011 Cruze. For this operation, you're going to need a flathead and a 10mm socket.
Let's get behind here with the flat screwdriver.
And joining us today is Mike, who's going to be doing all the work today.
Go behind here with the flat screwdriver, pop this pocket off of here. It's just clipped on.
So it's not Velcroed in?
Yeah, right. 3 10mm
bolts in here.
Push on the plug and it pops right off.
Just like that. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. If you have any requests for videos you want us to cover, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next time.